Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox another Michael Kors bag, as I've got them few on semi-annual sale on Michael Kors site, and I would want to unbox another one. So it's smaller one this time, and I don't know, maybe I will return them all or maybe keep them all. No, I will return half of them for sure, and then I might keep them, some of them. So this one came in box, just in box, and then it came in this. So it's Michael Kors. It's called Michael Kors. I don't know, let's see, I have paper here. It's called Mott, Michael Kors Mott Lizard-Embossed leather crossbody. So yeah, and it was on sale. So let's see how it looks like. Wow, nice, cute. So it's looking like this. It's really small, and it has this cute Michael Kors sign right here that it's rose gold. And also what I like about this bag is that it has like a handle like here. It's really nice, thick material. Not handle, it's like chain, but it's handle because you keep it like this. So I really like it because it's like rose gold. And this bag open like, you have to turn like this, and then you open, and inside it looks like this. And then it has also here some stuff, and inside it has compartments like so. Let's see. And it comes with dust bag, which I removed, and here it has compartments, one with slip pocket here and another one here. You can see it. It's really nice bag. Smell also very nice with some leather. And here inside it comes with zipper pocket, which is really nice. Great for cards, and also it has compartment here. So it has two compartments, and it's really great for some going out time. And behind it also has pocket like here, that it's on metallic snap. Really nice bag. On side it looks like this. So yeah, very nice. Oh, and I forgot to mention that it comes with strap. Well, it's obvious because it's crossbody, and it has really nice rose gold handles, hardware, which is really, really nice. And you can adjust it, and it's looking really nice, and it's wider, which is nice too. So yeah, that's this bag. I really like it. I like this turning and going back mechanism is really convenient, and this handle, and then it's small and cute. You can go to a party or somewhere and wear it. So yeah, really nice bag. Okay, so if you like such videos, give me thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.